So students of I have story yesterday. Once again, Suryasu, can you hear me? आवाज आ रही है? हाथ उठा दो. Raise your hand. यार मेरी आवाज आ रही है? Raise your hand, please. Raise your hand. Hand, please. आराध्या यादव, raise your hand. आवाज आ रही है? हाथ उठा दो बेटा, please. आ रही है आवाज. Okay, fine. Thank you. Fine. Let us begin with our chapter yesterday. The name of the chapter is My Elder Brother, Bade Bhai Sahab. Chapter number 8 of unit number 4, English Marigold. See, what is happening in the first and second thing? In the first, it was that there was a hostel. In hostel, two brothers were there. One is Munna and the difference age difference between Munna and Bhaiya was 5 years. Bhaiya always read his book. Bhaiya हमेशा books पढ़ता था और Munna always was idling his time and playing, having fun with his friends. Now let us see. Scene 3. The results were out once again. The results were out once again, and it so happened that Munna passed and Bhaiya failed again. Bhaiya upset. Munna was also sad, seeing his brother so unhappy. Bhaiya now becomes gentler with Munna. Munna became naughtier because of this and studied even less than before. Okay, in the third scene, before starting the third scene, there is a brief explanation of the paragraph, para, full paragraph का पूरा explanation वो red color का जो सीन दिया उसमें. Once again, फिर से result निकला. Once again, the result was declared. And once again, Bhaiya failed and Munna passed. Now, Bhaiya was very sad, and Munna, seeing his brother very sad, Munna was also very sad. अपने भैया को दुखी देखकर छोटा भाई भी बहुत दुखी हुआ. Now, Munna, भैया become gentler. वो थोड़ा नरम होता गया, यानी अब ज्यादा अपने भाई को डांटता नहीं था. इस कारण भाई जो है वो ज्यादा नोटी होता गया. Now he started what becoming naughtier, more naughtier and study less than before. पहले जितना पढ़ता था उससे कम पढ़ रहा है क्योंकि वो पास हो गया और भैया 2 बार फेल हो गया. Now let us begin. Munna talking aloud. I am lucky. I can pass easily. I need not to study so hard. Now I can play games with my friends and fly kites. But I should still be careful that Bhaiya does not see me flying kites. Oh, Munna is saying, shouting, जोर से चिल्लाते हुए उसने कहा, Oh, I am lucky. I can pass easily. मैं आसानी से कोई भी एग्जाम पास कर सकता हूँ. I need not to study hard. मुझे कड़ी मेहनत करने की जरूरत नहीं है. मैं बिना पढ़े पास हो जा रहा हूँ. Now I can play games. अब मैं गेम खेल सकता हूँ. भैया फेल हो गया, मैं पास हो गया, मैं खेल सकता हूँ. I can play games and not study. But I must be sure that Bhaiya doesn't see me flying kites. मुझे इतना श्योर होना पड़ेगा, इतना निश्चित रहना पड़ेगा कि भाई मुझे न देखे पतंग उड़ाते हुए. ठीक है. Now let us see next. One day, a kite is flying slowly downwards. Munna starts running in order to grab it. Suddenly, he comes to face with Bhaiya. One day, what happened? A kite was flying down. एक पतंग कटी हुई पतंग उड़ती हुई नीचे आ रही थी. And Munna was running to catch that kite. Then he come across face to face with his elder brother. अपने बड़े भाई का सामना हुआ उससे. फेस टू फेस सामना हुआ. एंड भैया ने क्या कहा? भैया कैचिंग होल्ड ऑफ मुन्ना हैंड. मुन्ना का हाथ पकड़ते हुए भाई ने क्या कहा? Aren't you ashamed to be playing kites all day long? भाई ने कहा तुम्हें शर्म नहीं है, तुम पूरे दिन पतंग उड़ाते हो, यू आर नॉट फीलिंग एशेम, यू आर ऑलवेज प्लेइंग, यू आर नॉट स्टडिंग एंड यू आर फ्लाइंग काइट्स, यू डोंट फील एशेम. भैया सेज, don't you realize that now you are in 8 in class in the class in the 8th class and are not studying in lower class. Don't you realize, तुम्हें एहसास नहीं हो रहा है कि तुम अब क्लास 8 में हो, you are in class 8 and still you are not studying, you are playing games. Who said? Bhaiya said. And don't think that you are in lower class. Elder brother, बड़े भाई ने कहा मुन्ना से, मुन्ना बेटा अब मुन्ना भाई मीन्स छोटे भाई, तुम क्लास 8 में हो, छोटे क्लास में नहीं हो जो तुम खेलते रहोगे, तुम्हें पढ़ना चाहिए, तुम्हें शर्म नहीं आ रही, यू आर नॉट फीलिंग ashamed. If you think that I am just one class ahead of you and I can't say anything, you are wrong. I am 5 years older than you are and will always be. Elder brother said that. मुन्ना भैया ने कहा मुन्ना से कि अब ये मत सोचो कि मैं तुमसे एक साल, तुम मुझसे एक साल क्लास में आगे हो या मैं तुमसे एक क्लास में एक साल आगे हूँ, परंतु हम दोनों का जो एज डिफरेंस है वो 5 साल का है. मैं तुमसे 5 साल बड़ा हूँ और कभी भी मैं तुमसे 5 साल बड़ा रहूंगा, भले हमारे क्लास का अंतर 1 साल का हो गया हो. ओके. भैया ने कहा मुन्ना से कि मुन्ना ये मत सोचो कि अब तुम एक क्लास छोटे हो मुझसे और मैं तुमसे कुछ नहीं बोल सकता. मैं तुमसे 5 साल बड़ा हूँ और मैं हमेशा 5 साल बड़ा रहूंगा और मैं तुम्हें बोलता और टोकता रहूंगा. नेक्स्ट, understanding doesn't come only from reading books. Look at Ma and Baba. Ma has never gone to school and Baba has only passed 5th class. Bhaiya says to Munna, Bhaiya is telling to Munna, Munna, that understanding, दिमाग सिर्फ किताब पढ़ने से नहीं आता है, only by reading books. Look at Ma and Papa or Baba. Look at our father and mother. They have never gone to school. They have never gone to school. They have never gone to school. Ma have never gone to school and Papa means Baba. Since father is only 5 class, he has passed only 5 class. Our father has passed only 5 class. यानी कि हमारे पापा, मुन्ना भैया ने कहा मुन्ना देखो, पढ़ाई से दिमाग सिर्फ पढ़ाई से, किताबें पढ़ने से नहीं आता है. हम अपने मम्मी पापा को देख लो, मम्मी कभी स्कूल नहीं गई है, पापा ओनली 5 क्लास पास है. नेक्स्ट, मुन्ना, रियली भैया, इज दैट ट्रू? क्या भैया आप सच कह रहे हो? इट्स दैट ट्रू? हु सेड? मुन्ना सेड. नाउ लेट अस सी द नेक्स्ट पेज. Bhaiya, yes, there are thousands things that they know more than you are. Yes, Bhaiya says to Munna, they have never gone to school. Papa is only class 5 pass and Ma means mother have never gone to school. But they know thousands of things than you and me. वो कभी स्कूल नहीं गए, पापा केवल क्लास 5 पास है, लेकिन वो हमसे बहुत चीजें, बहुत कुछ उनको आता है. नेक्स्ट, and even if we have studied the wisdom of the whole world, Ma and Baba will always have the right to explain to us and correct us. अगर हम दुनिया की पूरी किताब भी अगर पढ़ लेते हैं, तब भी माँ और पापा को ये हक होता है कि वो हमें सही कर सकें जब हम गलत हों, या हमें जब हम गलत करें तो उसके बारे में एक्सप्लेन करके हमें बता सकें. They have the right to correct us and they have the right to explain us. Even if we are brilliant or topper of the world, no matter. Even if we study the whole book, still our parents have the right to explain and correct us. ये याद रखना बेटा. ये मत सोचना कि मैं बहुत बड़ा हो गया हूँ, मैं क्लास 10th में हूँ और पेरेंट्स मुझे नहीं बोल सकते हैं. मेरे पेरेंट्स क्लास 5 पास है और मैं क्लास 10th पास हूँ. Don't think such thing. Okay, our parents have the right to correct us and explain us. Even if we become an officer or anything, no problem. But we have to obey our parents and listen to our parents. Now let us see, Munna. Sorry. Now what would you do if I were to fall sick? Bhaiya is asking to Munna, what will you do if I fall sick? आप क्या करोगे? भैया ने कहा मुन्ना से, आप ये बताओ, अगर मैं बीमार पड़ता हूँ तो तुम क्या करोगे? What you are going to do if I fall sick? Okay, now let us see. Munna, I don't know. Bhaiya, I would tell Baba and he would rush to the hostel. Munna said that, I don't know Bhaiya what I'm going to do, but I will call. I don't know what I'm going to do. मुन्ना ने कहा मुझे नहीं पता मैं क्या करने जाऊंगा, मैं क्या करूंगा, but I will call to Baba. Baba means Papa, to father. I will call to father and he will rush to hostel. Yes, मुन्ना ने कहा मैं पापा को बताऊंगा, पापा दौड़ते हुए हॉस्टल आ जाएंगे. नेक्स्ट, भैया, aha, I had expected this answer. Now Baba would not get upset. He would first try to find out what was wrong and then he would call a doctor. Baba would now exactly what to do, know exactly what to do. भैया सेठ, मुझे तुमसे इसी यही उम्मीद थी कि तुम यही करोगे, मुझे इसी उत्तर का उम्मीद था, इसी आंसर का उम्मीद था कि मुझे पता था कि तुम यही आंसर दोगे कि मुझे पता नहीं है और मैं पापा को बुलाऊंगा। आपको ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए। पहले तो आपको ये पता करना होगा कि मुझे हुआ क्या है, फिर मुझे डॉक्टर को बुलाते और मेरी चेकअप कराते, जो पापा करते। पापा अगर हॉस्टल में आते तो क्या करते? वो भी कुछ नहीं कर पाते, वो केवल यही करते, वो देखते कि भैया कैसा है। यस, लिसन केयरफुली, ध्यान से सुनिएगा। देखो मुन्ना ने क्या कहा, व्हाट डज मुन्ना सेड? मुन्ना सेड दैट भैया आई डोंट नो व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू बट आई विल कॉल टू बाबा एंड ही विल रश टू हॉस्टल, ही विल कम टू हॉस्टल। भैया सेड दैट नाउ यू आर डिस्टर्बिंग आवर पापा। आपने पापा को डिस्टर्ब ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए। आपको पहले क्या करना चाहिए? जो पापा करते वो चीज आपको करना चाहिए। पापा क्या करते? व्हाट वुड फादर डू? फादर हॉस्टल में आते, पापा हॉस्टल में आते, वो मुझे देखते कि मुझे हुआ क्या है और फिर वो डॉक्टर को बुलाते। तो ये काम आप कर सकते थे पापा को ना बुला करके। यस, नाउ लेट अस सी नेक्स्ट। They have more experience than us. Yes, our parents have more experience than us. ये मैं भी मानता हूँ, आप भी मानते हैं। आप भले कितना भी पढ़ ले, बट आप ये मानते हो और मानना भी होगा आपको कि that your parents have more experience than you and me. Fine, okay, nice. Munna, with tears in his eyes, Bhaiya, I am sorry. What you say is true. Now Munna started crying, रोने लगा, मुन्ना रोने लगा एंड उसने कहा आई एम सॉरी भैया, आई एम रियली सॉरी, मुझे माफ कर दो। और इट इज ट्रू व्हाट यू आर सेइंग, इट इज ट्रू, आप जो कह रहे हो वो सही है और मैं गलत हूँ। आई एम सॉरी, प्लीज फॉरगिव मी। नाउ लेट अस सी। भैया हग्स मुन्ना लविंगली, हग्स मींस गले लगाना। प्यार से अपने भाई को उसने, बड़े भैया ने मुन्ना को गले लगाया एंड व्हाट ही सेड, भैया आई ऑल्सो लाइक टू प्ले एंड फ्लाई किtes, but if I also play then how can I watch out for you? You are my responsibility. Very good, बहुत अच्छा जवाब दिया बड़े भाई ने। बड़े भाई ने कहा मुझे भी खेलने का शौक है, आई एम एल्डर एंड आई वुड ऑल्सो लाइक टू प्ले। मैं भी खेलना चाहता हूँ, पतंग उड़ाना चाहता हूँ। बट इफ आई प्ले वी आर फार अवे फ्रॉम होम, हम घर से बहुत दूर हॉस्टल में रहते हैं। अगर मैं भी तुम्हारे साथ खेलूंगा देन हु विल टेक द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ योर्स? यू आर माई रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी। तुम मेरे छोटे भाई हो और यह जिम्मेदारी मेरी बनती है कि मैं तुम्हारा देख रेख करूं। तो अगर मैं भी तुम्हारे साथ खेलता तो हम दोनों, या तुम्हारी देखभाल कौन करता, तुम्हें पढ़ने के लिए कौन कहता। यस, ये बहुत अच्छा जवाब दिया एक भाई ने। अगर आप भी, आपके भी छोटे भाई हैं, तो अगर आप खेलोगे तो आपका भी भाई खेलेगा। सो अगर आप पढ़ते हो तो आपका भाई पढ़ेगा। ओके, आप जो करोगे वो आप छोटा भाई करेगा। नाउ हियर द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी इज योर्स। आपकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बनती है कि आपको क्या करना है। अगर आप अच्छा कपड़ा पहनते हो देन योर ब्रदर विल डू द सेम थिंग। इफ यू स्टडी योर ब्रदर विल स्टडी, इफ यू प्ले योर ब्रदर विल प्ले। मीन्स इफ यू are sincere and obedient then your younger brother will also be sincere and obedient। इस कहानी को पढ़ने से हमें यही सीख मिलता है बेटा कि अगर घर में अगर मैं बड़ा हूं तो मैं जैसा करूंगा वैसा मेरा छोटा भाई करेगा, तो वैसे ही आपको भी करना होगा। आप क्या करना है? आपको सही से रहना है। आप पढ़ते रहिए, आपका छोटा भाई भी पढ़ेगा। नाउ लेट अस सी। आई लव यू भैया। Who said? मुन्ना said I love you भैया। भैया मुझे तुमसे बहुत प्यार है, आप मेरा बहुत ख्याल रखते हो। Yes, this was your story and by reading this story this wrote my elder brother is a story बड़े भाई साहब, इंग्लिश में इसको क्या कहेंगे? बड़े भाई साहब। and this story is written by मुंशी प्रेमचंद। मुंशी प्रेमचंद, ये कहानी किसने लिखी है? मुंशी प्रेमचंद ने। और इस कहानी को पढ़ने से व्हाट इज द सेंट्रल आइडिया ऑफ दिस पोएम? दैट experience is as, once again look, experience is as important as hard work। yes, हमारे, मैं सिर्फ पढ़ाई नहीं, हमारे पास एक्सपीरियंस भी होना चाहिए जो हमारे पेरेंट्स के पास है। आपके पास तो एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है, पढ़ाई है, तो यू शुड फॉलो टू योर पेरेंट्स, यू शुड फॉलो टू योर पेरेंट्स एंड ओबे योर एल्डर्स। ओके, और आप जैसा करोगे वैसा आपका छोटा भाई करेगा। सो दिस वाज योर चैप्टर स्टूडेंट्स। नाउ let me read out the whole story, let me read out the whole story। this, listen carefully now, this is a story by Premchand titled Bade Bhai Sahab। The story shows that experience is as important as hard work. Now, scene 1, a hostel room, two brothers aged 9 and 14 years sitting at a study table. The elder brother, Bhaiya, is reading a book, and the younger one, Munna, is drawing picture of birds and animals. Bhaiya, what are you doing, Munna? Munna, I am drawing. Bhaiya, when will you study? Where were you in the morning? Munna, turning pale. I was playing. Bhaiya, how can you sit with a book for hours together? Bhaiya, that's because I want my foundation in education to be very strong. If the base is strong, then the building will stand firmly. Sometimes it takes me 2 years to do 1 year's work. Munna, Bhaiya, you are 5 years older than I am, and three classes ahead of me. I wonder why you keep writing the same word 20 times, one sentence more than 20 times, and copy poems several times in beautiful letters. Bhaiya, you know studying English is no child's play. One has to work very hard in order to learn the subject. To speak or write properly, tremendous effort is required. But the moment you get a chance, you run to the field, play marbles, and fly kites, paper kites, or sit idling away with friends for fun. Can't you sit down and study? रीडिंग है और ये बेटा आप बुक पे ध्यान से देखिएगा. Munna, oh bhaiya, there is a big mela in the village today. Should we go? Bhaiya, have you ever seen me going to a fair or going to watch a cricket or hockey match? I don't go near them. I prefer to study a book. I don't mind repeating a class for more than 2 years, but you might stay in the same class all your life. Do you expect to pass if you waste your time playing all the time? You are simply wasting father's hard-earned money. Munna starts crying on being scolded, and shopping sounds wah wah ba ba who and are heard. Munna, bhaiya, I feel like running away and going back home. Bhaiya, now stop crying. Put on a nice smile. Look, I will make a timetable for you to follow. Get up at down. Get up at down. Down means morning. एक डाउन डी ओ अगर होता है बेटा डी ओ डब्ल्यू एंड डाउन तो वो नीचे होगा एंड डी ए डब्ल्यू एंड डाउन मीन्स मॉर्निंग होता है. यस. नाउ लेट अस सी. ये टाइम टेबल रीडिंग नहीं करूंगा बेटा, ये टाइम टेबल के आगे पढ़ता हूँ. मुन्ना, बट व्हेन इज द टाइम टू प्ले? भैया, play, what is the need? Munna, oh, I love the green fields, the gentle breeze. I want to jump up like a football. I like the touch and go and tutu tutu sounds of the kabaddi, and hurrying flurry of volleyball pulls me like a magnet. As soon as I am on the field, I forget everything. Scene 2. The final exams are over and the results are out. Bhaiya, alas, I am failed once again. Munna, oh, but Bhaiya, I have passed and topped my class. Now there is only 2 years difference between us. Bhaiya, but my dear brother, don't be so proud. You have passed only one class and you think that I am stupid and you were smart. Once in a while, in a gulli danda game, you might get a luck and hit a goal, but that does not mean you have mastered the game. You have to work hard to be successful in life. When you have to study a subject like algebra or geometry in higher classes, then you will understand the importance of hard work. In geometry, if one writes ACB instead of ABC, the answer is marked wrong. The examiner will not spare you. They want you to learn word by word from the textbook. Munna, oh bhai sahab, this is scary. I don't think I want to go to ninth class now, but I will still complete my day's homework so that I get no punishment in class. Yeah. Just today, we were asked to write a short essay on a topic of punctuality in 4 pages. And imagine something And imagine, can something be written on 4 pages and still be short? It's also mixed up. Munna thinking aloud. Thank God it was time for school, or else the scolding would have gone on and on. Scene 3. Today is what we have done. आज जो आपने किया वहां पे पहुंच गए. Scene 3. The results were out once again, and it so happened that Munna passed and Bhaiya failed again. Bhaiya was really upset. Munna was also sad seeing his brother so unhappy. Bhaiya now becomes gentler with Munna, and Munna becomes naughtier because of this and studied even less than before. Munna, talking aloud, ah, I am lucky, I can pass easily. I need not study so hard. I can play games with my friends and fly kites. But I should still be careful that Bhaiya does not see me flying kites. One day, a kite is flying slowly downwards. Munna starts running in order to grab it. Suddenly, he comes face to face with Bhaiya. Bhaiya catching hold of Munna's hand. Aren't you ashamed to be playing kites all day long? Don't you realize that now you are in class 8 or 8 class and are not studying in lower class? If you think that I am just one class ahead of you and I can't say anything, you are wrong. I am 5 years older than you are and will always be. Understanding doesn't come only from reading books. Look at mine, Baba. Ma has never gone to school and Baba has only passed 5th class. Munna, really bhaiya, is that true? Really bhaiya, is that true? Bhaiya, yes, there are thousands of things that they know more than you or me. And even if we have studied the wisdom of the whole world, Ma and Baba will always have the right to explain to us and correct us. Now, what would you do if I were to fall sick today? Munna said. I don't know, Bhaiya. I would tell Baba and he would rush to the hostel. Munna, aha, I had expected this answer. Now, Baba would not get upset. He would first try to find out what was wrong and then he would call a doctor. Baba would know exactly what to do. They have more experience than us. Munna with tears in his eyes. Bhaiya, I'm sorry. What you say is true. Bhaiya hugs Munna lovingly. Bhaiya, I also like to play and fly kites, but if I also play, then how can I watch out for you? You are my responsibility. Munna, I love you, Bhaiya. Okay, this was your chapter, students. This was your chapter, and tomorrow we will do the exercises. Some of the exercises we will do tomorrow. Now, if you have any doubt, I will send you the word meaning today. ग्रामर में मैंने चैप्टर नहीं सेंड किया. आई हैव नॉट सेंड यू द ग्रामर एक्सरसाइज अभी तक मैंने सेंड नहीं किया है स्टूडेंट्स. ओके, I will send you the exercise of lesson number 4. Okay, but if you have, now we are studying chapter number 8, students. We are studying chapter number 8. Chapter number 8 of English Marigold. Chapter number 8. And what is the name of the chapter? My elder brother. My elder brother means Bade Bhai Sahab. And written by Munshi Premchand. Written by Munshi Premchand. Okay. Now, if you have any doubt in this chapter, you can ask me without disturbing the class. इसमें कुछ बच्चे हैं जो क्लास को बहुत डिस्टर्ब करते हैं. Now, if you have any doubt, students, you can ask me. The reading is completed and the story explanation I have completed. I hope you have understand the story. Now, if you have any doubt,